Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all well and doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to create Bucksmil account. So without wasting any time, let's move to our topic. So I'm pasting here the link, but don't be worried. I also provide you link in description. So you need to be clicked on three dots. So after clicking here, so you are seeing that sign up. So you need to be click on sign up. So there is information you need to be fill, email, password, full name, password. I'm not a robot and I agree to services. So I fill all the information here. So I'm gonna to register it now. So I gonna to click here. After that I gonna to click here. So here is I'm gonna to login now. So click here. Your account has been created, so I'm gonna to click here. So I'm gonna to login now and it'll be back right. So I am going to sign in. Here is going to sign in. So they are saying that you need to be entered. So we are going to check the OTP. Here is our mailbox, so we are going to check the OTP and copy it, and we will be paste there. Getting refreshed. Bucksmil. Here is login OTP, so I'm gonna to copy it, and I'm gonna to paste there. So I'm gonna to paste here. After that, I'm not a robot and verify. So here's your Bucksmil account is created. So you need to be set the pin, because whenever you got transactions, then it will be confirmed your pin. So I'm gonna to set here. So I have set a new pin, so I'm going to update now. So it's gonna to update. Don't be alone now. So your Bucksmil account is ready. Now you are seeing that I am online and my account is created successfully. So you can transaction any money. If you have currency of Bitcoin, dollar, any currency, you can transfer it in Jazz Cash in any your account, Easy Pesa. So I hope you are like this video, and please subscribe this channel and like the video.